Good morning, guys. Happy Friday to you. Bill McMillan here with NDWX.com about 7:20 Friday morning. And we're starting off with a look at rainfall totals over the past 2 days. And there's been a lot of talk locally around just how dry it's been, and that's certainly the case for some people, Indianapolis included, and the heart of central Indiana for that matter. I think total here at the office in southern Boone County, we've seen a total of 0.97 inches of rain over the past 2 days. So not too shabby, but not exactly what we need either, considering just how dry the month of May was. Now that said, there's been several winters here as well, and the places from Fort Wayne, Logansport, Lafayette, Terre Haute, Bloomington, Vincennes, Evansville, southern portions of the state have just been deluged over the past couple of days with really anything on this side of the line here that is drawn for you. These communities have seen in excess of 1.5 inches of rain, and in some cases much more than that, as much as 3 to 3.5 inches of rain, where you see the pink and the purple. So, we've got to point that out as well, that for northern, southern, and western portions of the state, the past 2 days has been incredibly beneficial from a rainfall standpoint. So it's not a dry story for everybody. Let's got to be fair and share where the rains have been falling, and in some cases in a significant fashion at that. Showers are dissipating across southern portions of the state this morning. However, as a boundary slips through here this afternoon, I think we're going to see a couple of showers and maybe a couple claps of thunder redevelop. Not as widespread in coverage compared to yesterday, not as severe by any stretch of the imagination either, but don't be surprised to see a couple of thunderstorms flare up here this afternoon and evening as this boundary slips through central Indiana. Those will come and go rather quickly, and Saturday should get back to dry conditions and less humid conditions as well on Saturday. High temperatures in the low and mid 80s. Another disturbance moves through here late Saturday night and early Sunday. Mainly before sunrise on Sunday, with showers and the potential of a thunderstorm as well in a widely scattered to scattered fashion. I think most of Sunday, though, during the daytime at least, will feature dry conditions. Thereafter, guys, high pressure builds in with very pleasant conditions, much less humidity, more seasonable type temperatures as we go into the early parts of next week, and it's not until we get into Wednesday and Thursday when rain chances will increase once again as a disturbance rides in a kind of a northwest to southeast fashion around a hot dome developing off to our west. Will increase shower and thunderstorm chances Wednesday into the back half of next week. Before we close, guys, this is a look at the latest European ensemble. Upper air pattern, 5-day increments. We'll put this into motion. A bit of a cooler regime early next week. That'll be welcome. A hot dome flares up to our west, and with the transition with this northwest flow aloft, and we saw the model and the GFS model kind of suggesting the potential of a couple of storm clusters possible in here the middle and latter parts of next week. The window will be open for more in the way of rainfall potential as we transition from early to mid-June. However, as we get into the middle part and latter parts of June, the model here would show more of a kind of a drier and hotter pattern developing as we move into the middle part of June. Guys, make it a great Friday. Close the work week out strong. Thank you as always for logging on to NDWX.com. We'll talk with you soon.